Africa, I call it home, my motherland. A great place to be for anyone out there that loves connecting with nature in terms of the organic foods on the continent, the wildlife, the water masses, and much more. But on the same continent, there are some extremely unusual places that even science just can't explain. In this video, we bring you the 5 extremely unusual places in Africa. These are very strange places that we feel you might want to visit at least once in your lifetime. But before we get to these, if you're new here, on the channel we share great stories about the African continent. So for more future videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and also share this video with someone that you know wants to learn about the African continent. This right here is Lake Natron, one of the mystery places in the world because of its uniqueness compared to other water bodies in the world. It is found in the East African country of Tanzania in the Ngorongoro district, which is found in the northeastern part of the country. Lake Natron is one of the most shallow lakes in the world, measuring only 9.8 feet deep, and over the years, people travel from all over the world to come see this unique lake and study a thing or two about it. The lake has got red blood-like water, which is considered very dangerous for any living organisms. These waters are saline in nature with a very high percentage concentration of soda and salt contents in form of sodium carbonate. For many people that love adventure, they come from all over the world to come see this lake found in Tanzania. Known as the giant blue eye of Africa, or sometimes called the Richat Structure, this unique landmark is found in the northwestern African country of Mauritania. This special landmark is found in the Sahara Desert, and it stretches for close to 40 kilometers wide across this desert. And of course, there's been a lot of mystery around this giant blue eye of Africa on how it was formed, but no clear explanation has ever been made, except for the fact that it has existed for over 100 million years since its formation. Next, we take you to the southern part of the African continent in Namibia. The Deadvlei is a unique white clay pan area surrounded by sand dunes. This is believed to have come into existence after heavy rainfalls flooded the Sauchab River, which created a pool of water around this area that enabled chemothorn trees to start growing in it. These sand dunes that surround this area later cut off the river water supply, leaving the chemothorn trees to dry off in the process. Deadvlei today is one of the most visited places in Namibia, bringing in a lot of foreign exchange to the country. Dallol, which is found in Ethiopia, is the hottest place on the planet Earth. The temperatures in this place average at about 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit, so if you're to visit this furnace of a landscape, you must be ready for those very high temperatures. Dallol in Ethiopia will make you appreciate nature and its uniqueness because it's found in the Danakil Depression, which lies 125 meters below sea level. This Danakil Depression is considered one of the lowest points on the Earth. Lake Nyos, which is located in the northwestern region of Cameroon, is a deep crater found on the Oku volcanic plain. The magma which lies beneath this lake forms very poisonous carbonic acid, which is very dangerous for any living creatures. In 1986, due to landslides, this lake emitted huge volumes of carbonic acid, which resulted into the death of over 1,700 people with over 3,500 animals that were killed. But as a solution to this problem, the government of Cameroon installed a degassing system which aims at reducing the carbon dioxide concentration in this lake. For our Swahili lesson, we look at the word upepo, which translates as wind. So if we are to use this in a sentence, we would maybe say, kuna upepo mkali leo, which would basically translate as there is heavy wind today. So maybe if you're telling a friend there is heavy wind today, you would basically put it as kuna upepo mkali leo. And of course, if you would like to learn the Swahili language, which is one of the most spoken languages on the African continent with over 200 million speakers, we created an easy to learn Speak Swahili for Beginners course that takes you from A to Z for you to be able to learn and speak Swahili like a native speaker. To enroll for this course, check out the link in the description of this video. Well, those are the 5 extremely unusual places on the African continent. In the comments, let us know which among these intrigued you most, and maybe one amongst these that you're excited to go visit. Do not also forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video with someone that you know would love to learn about the African continent. We recommend you watch this next video for you to even learn more about Africa.